So I just moved into this new house about 2 months ago, and I've been having trouble sleeping basically between the hours of 10 p.m. and 4 or 5 a.m. And the reason being is this little cocaine-fueled bird decided to set up shop outside my bedroom window. As you can see, it's 3:30 in the morning, and this thing does not shut up. So I'm wondering if A, you can help me identify what type of bird it is, and B, how to shut it up without killing it. I would appreciate it. Okay, listen to this stupid thing. Now, that's actually pretty mild, but you get the idea. It just doesn't shut up. So, any help would be appreciated. Thank you.